Tracking the risk for severe weather beginning tomorrow. This is 4 o'clock in the afternoon into the overnight. The risk is marginal for western, northern, up to central Oklahoma. Biggest risk that I see moving in for tomorrow will be hail and wind. Hail up to the size of $50 and the strongest of storms, and a wind threat that will be around 50 up to 60 miles per hour. So we'll get some showers that are going to come through here during the afternoon. Risk for severe weather is pretty low with those for Tuesday afternoon. Those will weaken as they move to the east. Then we'll go through a bit of a break, and then we'll see some additional redevelopment as we go towards early Wednesday morning, right along the Oklahoma-Kansas border, northwestern, northern Oklahoma. This is where you're going to get your isolated hail threat, but also some pretty heavy rain coming in. Waukita, Ponca City sliding across northern Oklahoma. That is going to drive a cold front pretty deep to the south and southeast. That's where a severe weather threat is going to really line up as we go into Wednesday afternoon for far southern and eastern Oklahoma. Not too concerned about much of a severe weather threat for central or western Oklahoma for Wednesday. But then that will change for Thursday for western Oklahoma. Now that will come with a low tornado threat or tornado index there. It's at a 2. On a 1 to 10 scale from Woodward, Elk City down to the southwest. And then the back end of the storm system as we begin to watch it pull out of here. This is when the risk really begins to ramp up across a large portion of the state for Friday afternoon. And that's when the tornado risk will begin to move in for a lot of us as well as the storm system moves out of here Friday evening and into the overnight. We're tracking the risk closely in your newest timeline tonight on KOCO 5 News.